Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can give the glass effect on image in Canva. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I have the canvas here. So just put your image. Okay, you can upload your own image from here. Okay, I just use this stock image from Canva. Just resize it and make sure it is fit to the canvas. Okay, and now just make a duplicate of this image. Okay, and make sure it is exact placed on the right place, same place as per your first image. And now you can crop it. Okay, so just crop the area, or just crop till the area where you want that glass effect. Now select that image, go to the edit, go to the see all and go to the blur, and you can select the whole image and just increase the blur effects from intensity, and just make sure you have the perfect blur effect what we want. And just come back. Now we have the blur effects here, you can see. Now select that image again. You can also give the border, like you can increase the width of this border. From here you can change that color, so I just make it white. In gradient you can change that style. Okay, so we have that the glass effect here, you can see. And if you want shadow effects, then we need to make that page duplicate. So just show the page, go to the duplicate pages. So we have the duplicate pages. Now you need to delete that first image. So now we have this image only. Now go to the share, download as a png with transparent background, and select the second image only. Now download it. Once in download, come to the first page, delete your that image. Okay, just drag that image on the first page. Okay, now you can delete that first image. Now keep at the corner and make sure it is resized perfectly, make the fit on the page. Okay, now go to select that image, go to the edit, and here we go to the shadow and select the drop shadow. Here we have the drop effects. You can increase the size, angles. Okay, whatever you want, you can increase it like this. Okay, so that is how you can create the glass effect on image in Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.